Okay, here you find on the trail some entertainment for the kids to play. Look at that. She's a climber. Climbing all over.
I don't like this.
All right. There's little Kayla. You got a log to walk on. Whoa, be careful. Walking on a log. Well, she gave that up for the seesaw, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
There's a little seesaw right here.
Yeah, someone's got to get on the other side, huh?
I mean some. There's also a bridge.
Oh, you're not heavy enough to pull her up. Yeah, and then Cece gets on the walking bridge.
This is the bridge that we're going to.
Yeah, and what's the string for?
I think you're supposed to.
What's the rope for?
I don't know. Hold on.
Oh, okay, you're walking the wire. Okay, to walk the wire.
Got a tightrope?
Yeah.
Oh.
All right.
I like that. That looks fun.
This is getting, yeah, it does look like fun, don't it?
Yeah.
It's got a turnbuckle already on it.
Whoa, there you go.
Some kind of gauge wire too.
Please.
Look at that, a small area but had all this fun stuff. Wow, you could add this to the trees at the house
We
too.
already have enough.
Whoa, I actually did. I'm doing it. I could do it. Oh, yes. Oh,
All right.
I got to.
And look how crooked this one is. It goes a little this way, a little that way for the walking bridge. You want to try the walking bridge?
I just did.
Try it again. I want to show the people on the video that you know how to walk it.
I'm doing it.
Woo. Look at that. All right. Yay.
This is easier.
Oh, look at that. Oh, and that's kind of climbing the tree with them logs like that, huh? Cool.
Really? Oh, stick.
All right, you got to get down now, Kara. All right. Just some extra entertainment for kids when you're going through the walking trail.
Wait, where my tablet goes?
Cool. All right. Stay tuned for more. Good going, Cece. Good going. All right. Almost made it, huh?
Gotta be care.
Good job.